Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I think I might have a problem with my flight.
I'm sorry to hear that. May I see your ticket, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your booking.
Sure,
Just a moment, please.
no problem.
All right, I see your reservation here. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I looked at the departure board earlier, and I couldn't see my flight number.
I understand.
That made me a little worried.
Yes, that can be confusing sometimes.
My trip is very important today.
I see. Don't worry, I will check the flight status for you right now.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Thank you for waiting.
Sure.
I can see the update now. Your flight is delayed.
Oh, I see. How long is the delay?
It looks like about 1 hour.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Yes, the new departure time is 3:45 p.m.
All right, that still works for me.
Good.
Do I still check in here?
Yes, of course. I can check you in right now.
Great, thank you.
Do you have any luggage to check today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Is the weight okay?
Yes, everything looks good. All right, you're all set. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate number is gate 22.
Okay, gate 22.
Boarding will begin at 3:15 p.m.
So I still have some time.
Yes, you do.
That's good. Thank you for helping me.
You're very welcome.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad I could help.
Have a nice day.
You too, enjoy your flight.
Thank you.